Extremism has many forms and we must prevent it. If we count all known forms of extremism under the same one category, then there is another form. This form is produced when extremism is dealt with irrational approaches and oppression. We do not talk much about it, but this form of extremism is more devastating as it forces new people into extremism who had no past of violence and extremism. Response against blasphemy of Prophet Muhammad is similar kind, and Muslims prefer to sacrifice their lives when it comes to protect the honor of the Prophet. Freedom of expression and hate speech are two separate things, and there should be clear and defined lines between two of them. Anything which tries to harm the life, property, and respect or prestige of other groups fall under hate speech. Modern civilizations think that they are free to do whatever comes in their minds, but this can prove to be fatal. People should refrain from harming the religious sentiments of other groups, as some communities give more importance to some religious values than their very own lives, and they do not care for their lives when it comes to defending that values. Respect and love for the Prophet Muhammad in Muslims is unquestionable and more important than their own lives. Remember, trying to defame the Prophet can never devalue him. It only inflicts the pain in the hearts of the believers. Muslims, in response, cannot defame Jesus and Moses, peace be upon them, because they are respectable and prophets in Islam, and similarly Jews, Christians, and Muslims are called the people of book, the Abrahamic religions. Therefore, it is important to understand that as we have to live and share the same planet, hence, togetherness with respect, acceptance, and solidarity is the only way forward that is sustainable. Otherwise, it would create a great divide. The world must understand that extremism cannot be fought with extremism. Right and wrong both exist in our societies, and for eliminating the evil we cannot afford to kill the good as well. How can we hurt the good part of the society when fighting against the evil portion of the society? This will only create more extremism and divide in the society. The right path is only a straight and balanced approach that leads to attainment of the goals.